Hey guys, Andover Adam here, and when we're not cooking up delicious meals for some people and some dogs, we are also cooking up your next favorite fabrics. Get ready for your next high five favorite fabric collections. Before we get started, I'm going to pop up a little video here. We actually have 10 other new collections. If you haven't checked out that video, definitely go see it. There's laundry basket quilts, there's our century solids, and a whole lot more in there. You're definitely going to want to check that out. Now moving on to our 5 new collections, the first of them is this wonderful stealth collection from our Canadian designer Libs Elliott. She's got this wonderful neutrals collection here with your whites, your kind of tans, taupes, that kind of thing going on, into those grays, and into the black in the bottom right. One thing I love about this group is the motion in the fabric. I love these wavy patterns here, as you can see in the gray, in the taupe, and then in the black. These are all great go-with fabrics as well. So whether or not you're using this with Libs's Phosphor collection or her palette of Century Solids, you're going to have so many ways that this is going to fit into a great quilt. Next, this is actually artwork that we developed in our studio in New York. This is the Marble collection. Our studio team literally went in and tried all different kinds of ways of getting this nice marbled effect using a whole bunch of dyes and watercolor, and we've been able to recreate it here in 16 really amazing colors, including those 4 neutrals at the top, which I think are going to be really, really special. This Village Life collection is full of classics here. We've got wonderful, wonderful cows, we've got some horses, some sheep, you've got the rolling countryside. I'd love to get out there right now. I'm in the middle of the desert. The last time that I tried to roll through this countryside, I got a cactus, a scorpion, and some kind of snake lodged in me, so that's something to consider. For those of you who are into the SpaceX launch, where we're launching 2 astronauts into space for the first time since 2011, this outer space collection could not come at a better time. I would not personally love to do this spacewalk, but that's why I'm not an astronaut. And look, we're already making contact. These aliens seem really, really friendly to me, so that's a plus. Finally, we've got this Claras Garden collection. I really like the woodblocky elements in here with the deer and the squirrel and the bunny rabbit. I really like the garden scene, the main pattern in this collection. It has almost a toile-like feel. It makes really good background fabric, especially in this neutral colorway on the right. I'm a big, big fan of adding a little bit of extra design interest while giving the other colors in the quilt a little bit more chance to shine. Thanks so much again for watching, everyone. If you haven't watched that video with the prior 10 collections, make sure you watch it here. Hope you all have an amazing weekend. Take care. We'll see you soon.